Alright, so if you need to have your aftermarket radio hooked into your Volkswagen, this is going to be for a Mark IV, the other ones might be the same, I don't know, but you can use one of these. I think this one is about $5, it works pretty good, and it's a 40 VW12, and so you can see it's for VW, Audi, and European vehicle adapters, because on the back of the OEM radio it's a male as well, so you get that conflicting where it goes from male to female, so you have to get one of these. And you can see it's just a straight pin in the center, a little bit of a notch on the outside. Sort of looks like a banana connector. And to get my radio out and do this, I like to take that tray out, and depending on how your radio clips in, you will do your removal process. Mine's different than yours most likely, unless you've got a JVC. And anyways, in the back, you will notice there's this big hole, and that's for your antenna. So get your adapter, push it in until it seats, and find your antenna connector. This is what mine looks like. You can see it's got a pin in the center and a ring clip around the outside. So plug that on and start feeding your wires back in, however you like to not break them. Oh, and this ridge up here will usually interfere with the ridge on the bottom of this, so you'll want to put this in first, get that lined up, put your radio back in, and there you go. Radio works.